Stop doing this with money if you want to stop being broke. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a habit problem. Salary comes in, and within a few days, it's gone. Not because you earn less, but because you spend without thinking. Mistake number 1. Spending first, saving later. You tell yourself, whatever is left, I'll save. But let's be honest, nothing is ever left. Instead, flip the rule. Save first, even if it's just 10%. Then spend the rest. This one habit can completely change your finances. Mistake number 2. Not tracking your money. If I ask you where your money went last month, most people have no idea. And what you don't track, you can't control. Start simple. For the next 7 days, track every rupee you spend. You'll be shocked where your money is actually going. Mistake number 3. Depending on only one income. One income, sure high risk. If that stops, everything stops. Start building a second income. It doesn't have to be big. Even Rs 2,000, Rs 5,000 extra per month is a start. Over time, this becomes your financial safety net. Money is not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage it. Fix these 3 mistakes, and your financial life will change. Follow for simple money tips.